We're in the heart of Osaka today, exploring the iconic Dotonbori street. There's a lot to see, eat, and do, so come along with us to see the vibrant sights, delicious food, and unique culture that this place has to offer. We saw some kids with this delicious snack and we found it. So you get cheese, looks like custard, chocolate, matcha custard, and red bean. I'll split the ticket and then you either wait for this person or maybe, I don't know if it's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Here we go. Ooh, that's a nice snail. It's so cute.
Looks good. Oh, that cheese.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Was that mozzarella or?
It looks like mozzarella. Yeah, I noticed they really like cheese in Japan. They have a lot of chips that are flavored with cheese.
I got the cheese cod sticks. They're really good.
Oh, you had them?
From 7-Eleven.
Right. Oh, God. Let me show you the neighboring stand. This looks so good. Chocolate churros, Oreo, and vanilla ice cream. Looks like our thing's done. Point. There's 10 cents. Oh, trim the excess.
Custard.
Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Very cute.
Cheese.
Gracias. Arigato gozaimasu. Sorry.
You all know that girls drive
I have the cheese one. And Asada has
Cream.
custard. Custard. Alright. Cheers. Oh, cheers. Oh man, it's further.
Redo. Oh wait, your cheese about to spill out the side.
Oh no! This is all bread. Here.
Ooh.
Oh my.
Get it.
That's freaking sexy.
Money.
Wow. It's still going.
Wow. I
I don't know where to put it.
That's a waste.
That was good. Okay, here. That was more. Let me try the actual cheese now.
That was a bite.
Oh wow. Great. Oh, the outside is a little bit sweet. Oh, but the mozzarella is kind of really savory. Like really. That's good for a nice little snack. But I'm feeling kind of like under the weather, so I don't want to throw up. But I can tell it's really good.
Not very encouraging.
You don't need it to know.
You like it more?
I like the cheese more.
Really? Way better.
It's so cool.
I'm more into custard.
Really?
I don't know.
Those kids made it look so good, huh?
No, it was, but it looks so.
Good. That's a good one.
Let us smack you in the face. Oh my god.
What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with that?
Oh my god.
What are you gonna do with that?
Ew. Okay, yeah, just keep swirling. Yeah.
That's a pro right there. Make sure you swallow that.
So stringy.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. Want to try the custard one? I like the savory one more. Okay. Let's take one. Wait, what do you guys think?
I like it.
Cheese?
What's wrong?
Custard or cheese?
I ain't trying custard. Wow, pretty much.
Cheese, right?
The cheese is really good, depending on your mood, like whatever you want. Yeah. You said what?
Custard.
Yeah.
It's the better one.
Pretty even votes. Oh, you're gonna try the custard right now. Because it's like cheese. That's a nice bite.
So much better, right?
No, you like cheese.
I like cheese better.
You're a doppelganger somewhere in Japan that's hanging out.
Everyone's looking at
Oh, it's a World Cup today. The Glico man is like here, right?
Yeah.
Did you see that takoyaki line earlier?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I have an unpopular opinion. Takoyakis are overrated.
I agree.
Too much bread and not enough octopus.
Yeah.
They should add more toppings, like maybe add some corn or something.
Then it wouldn't hold its integrity.
I just want taco.
I just want more octopus and not so much breading. Yep, there you have it.
Wrong place to get tacos, bro.
Ooh, smells. We're at Dotonbori Street now. We're just walking around. We already ate lunch, but we're just trying to see if anything else catches our eye. This is definitely not as crowded as when we first came.
Well, it's like 3 p.m. I think it gets more packed at
I think it comes
night.
alive at night.
Look at these giant dumplings. Or gyoza, right?
Wait, do you think you could eat that if you were given $1,000?
One of them or all of them? There's like 20 of them.
How many people do you think it would take to eat finish this whole plate?
I could finish that in one day, one of them.
Just one of them?
No, like maybe, no.
Dude, no, look at it.
No way. It depends. Depends on how much filling there.
This would feed a whole village. I think it feeds at least 50 people.
That could be like one whole cow.
Actually, I think, yeah, that is one whole cow.
They slaughter one whole cow and just ground it up.
Oh my god. This street is so cute. All the humongous animals.
Animals, oh, like crabs and octopus.
Definitely a very different feel coming here in the daytime versus at night.
That kind of looks grosser here, that takoyaki up there.
Yeah, why is that white?
No, the big one on top.
Oh, yeah, no, that gives you the
It looks like the spaghetti monster for the Pastafarian, the god.
I just want to show you guys how amazing some of these signs can be.
Yeah, doesn't he look like he's constipated or something?
No, don't say that. There's an underground fishing pond here where you get points and prizes depending on the type of fish you catch. You can choose between a 30-minute or 60-minute ticket, and it comes with a fishing rod and bait. If you're not sure what to do, the employees are more than happy to assist you. There are a couple of different ponds that carry fish such as carp, sturgeon, and catfish. And although you cannot take the fish home, it's a unique experience for adults and kids alike. They don't have teeth. They are like a little baby. You do it. So cute. They also have this one. Oh my. Hey. No, I think it's deceptively easy. Those are so cute. Those are probably the cutest ones in here. Oh, that's kind of cute. If you're not looking at food, you'll probably find yourself looking at claw machines. Japan is widely known for its cute stuffed animals and collectibles, and what is more satisfying than successfully grabbing one by a 3-pronged claw? It may seem like a cash grab, but here, the kind employees will actually repeatedly reposition the prizes to provide an advantage for the player. Are you supposed to press a button? Hey, are you supposed to press a button again? Dada? You're supposed to press a button again to... Oh, guys. We tested our skill, and within a few games, we came out victorious with a cute prize. That's cute. Let's see it.
It's a coin purse.
That's super cute. Oh. Okay. Gambate. Oh! Dotonbori is a historic district in Osaka, Japan with a rich history dating back to the 17th century. Originally developed as an entertainment district, it thrived in the Edo period as a theater district. The construction of the Dotonbori Canal in the 17th century further enhanced its significance for trade and transportation. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the area underwent urban development and modernization, becoming known for its nightlife and entertainment venues. The district suffered damage during World War II, but was rebuilt in the post-war era, symbolizing Osaka's resilience. Today, Dotonbori remains a popular tourist destination featuring a mix of traditional and modern establishments. Its neon signs, such as the Glico Running Man, have become iconic symbols of Osaka. Visitors flock to Dotonbori for its diverse culinary offerings, including takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Thanks for coming along with us today. We love to travel, we eat good food, and do fun things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing for more. If you like this kind of content, it would also really help our small channel if you could hit that like button as well. Thank you and see you soon.